Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can set your computer to sleep automatically after a certain time. So to enable this automatic setting of sleep mode in your PC, you have to go to the search bar in your taskbar. You have to type here power. After you type here power, you will see a option edit power plan option. You have to click on this. After you click on this, you will see the option of timing. You can adjust the timing as per your convenience. Here is the setting of put the computer to sleep. You have to change this setting. When on battery means when it's on charged, you can set any of this timing from this, and also in plugged in you can set any of the timing. So after selecting all the timings as per your convenience to put the computer to sleep, you have to just save those changes, and after this you can close this window. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.